Hey guys, this is Luis again, and I'm going to show you today our day in Malibu Beach, specifically in Corral Beach. Hope you like it. Let's go! This is like a little island. Yeah, don't worry about that. Estamos en la playa de Malibu con el amigo Salvador. ¿Qué? Se dejó llevar por la corriente el tipo. ¿Qué dice? Let's go, bro. Bro, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Explica cómo es el clima ahorita. How do you feel? What do you think about the water?
The water's cold, bro.
Right, super cold, right? Yeah, I think it's colder than usual right now, but it feels good, I promise. And like you said, you get used to it. Look, las playas de Malibu. Look at that bro right there, just like peacefully enjoying, waiting for the fish to catch. And look at this fool trying to catch a wave. That's it, bruh. Shit. You okay, bro? What's good? Huh?
You might need a bigger one than this.
Yeah, because it would not support all my weight.
Last time?
Okay, yeah, I did.
Go.
So I'm gonna try it, but yeah, I think, you know, for me, because this is like only 150 pounds, and I'm like 200 pounds. But anyway, so I'm gonna try it.
All the way to the bird. All the way to the bird. Ahí está, watch. Ahorita, ya viene, güey. Stay ahead, paddle. The next one behind you. That one. No. That was the one, bro. That was the one. No. Again. Woo. Fuck! That's good, bro. You went?
It's cold, I'm telling you. It's super cold. It's like, you know, you're getting needles in your body, man. For real? Oh my god.
The needles in his butt. How was that?
That was good. It was refreshing. You two guys definitely try to do this. Like a boogie board, you can get them like for what, 35 bucks, huh?
That shit was like what, 45 maybe, 50?
Yeah, it was like 45. Yeah.
And that's a cheap one too.
It's a cheap one, but yeah, if you're big, get a bigger one. It's gonna be better, of course. And yeah, I mean that's it. That's all you need. Pair of shorts. That's it. That's do it.
Let me catch
Super rico. What's up? Vamos a jugar. This is like a little island in Malibu. Yeah. Honestly, great weather today. It's breezy, you know, and the water, it's cold, but it feels good after a while you're there. So you can take your boogie boards and yeah, have a good time. You know, like just try to bring a nice picnic, you know, a couple of sandwiches. Remember to always take your garbage with you, don't litter, and of course, keep watching my videos, okay? And I see you guys next time, okay? Bye. Okay guys, so if you like the video you're watching, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, share with your friends, put your thumbs up right there. And well, so what I wanted to show you is that this is a pretty nice destination if you're coming to California, want to get a little sun, want to take your boogie boards and catch some waves as well. I promise the water feels great. So you just real quick go to Google Maps and put LAX to Corral Beach in Malibu. Let me just do that real quick for you guys. And as you can see here, it's pretty much 34 minutes, and that's definitely a good destination as well, because then you can eat in the Malibu fish market, which I didn't actually take pictures nor videos, but I promise it's a very nice place. It's affordable, as you can see right here. Let me see if, oh, there we go, I can zoom this in. There you go, the prices are pretty nice, and I promise, I mean, they're very nice and generous portions that you can get right there. So it's pretty much, I mean, you can just easily get your food right here, and then just go make your picnic with your girlfriend, you know, I don't know, like with your whatever. And yeah, yep. So if you guys like it, keep watching this video. I promise, I appreciate that. Thank you.